Hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed part 1 of Zore, and today I have something else like apple tree and the grinding stone and also the arboretum and pole dance area and much more. Why delay? Let's dive in. All began in a garden. Yes, they have a huge garden where they started growing their food, and still they have some part of the area they're using it to grow the garden. They had a tree here, they consider that as a god, and they still have this greenhouse and it kind of renovated, and still like houses some exotic plants inside it. I try to like peep in. I don't know whether you can see or not. Yeah, I have seen some of them. I could not focus much. Yeah, there are some exotic plants. This is Zor's Wetland Arboretum. Yeah, it's a huge arboretum. I've never been here before. It's my first time going. The interesting part was they had an brewery underneath, like they made a small brew kind. Can you see that? It's very small and it was very dark. I don't know how people were even doing or sitting and drinking or something, but it's closed and it is locked. The Zor Wetland Arboretum is an 82-acre nature park, including 50 acres of woodland and 30 acres of shallow water marsh. People come here for fishing, hiking, and even bird watching. And if they become member, they can also do the canoeing and kayaking in this. And it's pretty much this area, like where the Zor is here. There is one river runs. It's called Bolivar, I guess. They do much more kayaking in that place. I've been there long ago, not recently, but it's kind of pretty good place to do the kayaking. This park has like two trails. One goes takes to the zoo cemetery. Another is a 2 miles of walking trail surrounding the woodland. But here, to show you guys the cemetery, this is the place where I think most of the like almost all the zoos people have been buried. They have written their names and all those things the way we do in India. They does the same thing here too. Uh, but still, this cemetery is kind of preserved. Oh, this is from the Joseph Bimler, the first house guy. He was the community leader, agent general, first cashier, and he was a physician, architect, and like first postmaster. And this is his burial place or buried place. I don't know what you call. And there was this village also hit by cholera. There were more than 62 people were dead, and they all were buried in the same place. During the civil war, around 12 civilians were taken from this village, and one among them died in the regiment itself, and that guy was buried and then there itself. But the other 11 who came back were buried in the same place here in the Zor. Oh, this is called pole dance. Worry not. This is the not the modern pole dance. This is a pole dance which actually people from this area does. It actually played by 7 people who holds the tapes hanging from the pole, and by moving in a certain direction, they weave the like tape around the pole, and it is played based putting the music on, and they weave it and also unweave it, and if they don't do, they will lose the point or something like that. This is the common game played around here. um, I tried with my friend. It was not exactly kind of fun. We were rotating all around, but it was interesting to learn something new. We kind of enjoyed doing it. It's kind of cool being in the zoo, and I missed recording few things in the beginning, so I re-recorded most of the things and was so hungry, and we ended up having some Mexican food because the zoo has only one Mexican restaurant, as only 220 people live in this place, and most probably visitors are the like one who visits this place more. The good thing about Zor, or what I like, is We could hardly see one or two historic homes in some places, but having an entire village of historic homes is pretty amazing. For me, it amazes me, and that's why I won't get bored visiting this place again and again. That's all I have about Zor for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see some more villages around, there are pretty good villages too. Have been to some other places too. If you would like to see, I am happy to show you guys. Please leave your comment below. Bye bye, Zor, and you guys too. Take care.